Welcome to PDMS ACADEMY. Here we are providing you free online quality educational tutorials.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will discuss about anatomy and physiology of human reproductive system. Human reproductive system can be discussed as male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of several key structures that work together to produce and transport sperms. Male reproductive system can be consist of external structures and internal structures. External structures include scrotum and penis. Scrotum is a pouch of skin that holds the testes and regulates their temperature, which is essential for sperm production. Penis is the external organ used for sexual intercourse and urination. Penis can be divided into four main parts, which include root, shaft, urethra, and glans. Shaft is the elongated part of penis. Urethra is the duct through which urine and semen exit the body. Glans is the tip of penis, often covered by the foreskin, also called prepuce, if it is not circumcised. Internal structures of male reproductive system include testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, bulbourethral glands, prostate gland. Testes or the male gonads responsible for producing sperm and hormones, mainly testosterone. They are housed in the scrotum. Epididymis is a coiled tube located behind each testis where sperm mature and are stored. Vas deferens is the duct that transports sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. It travels from the scrotum into the pelvic cavity. Seminal vesicles are the glands that produce a fluid that nourishes sperm and makes up a significant portion of semen. Prostate gland produces a fluid that helps to protect and energize sperm, also contributing to the composition of semen. Bulbourethral glands are the glands that produce a pre-ejaculate fluid that lubricates the urethra and neutralizes acidity. Additional structures of male reproductive system include ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct is formed by the union of vas deferens and the duct from the seminal vesicle. It carries sperm and seminal fluid to the urethra. Urethra is a final duct that carries semen and urine out of the body. It runs through the penis and opens at the tip. Male reproductive system is regulated by hormones from the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which influence testosterone production and sperm development. The male reproductive system is an intricate system and it is essential for reproduction and has numerous physiological functions beyond just reproduction, including the regulation of secondary sexual characteristics and libido. Now understand the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is a complex system and consists of several internal and external structures that play crucial roles in reproduction, menstruation, and hormonal regulation. External structures of female reproductive system, collectively known as vulva, and comprised of following parts. Labia majora is the outer folds of skin. Labia minora is the inner folds of skin located within the labia majora. Clitoris is a small sensitive organ located at the top of the vulva, involved in sexual arousal. Urethral opening is the opening through which urine exits the body. Vaginal opening is the entrance to the vagina. Hymen is a thin piece of skin that partially covers the vaginal opening. Internal structures of female reproductive system include uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and vagina. Vagina is a muscular canal that connects the external genitals to the uterus. It serves as a birth canal and the passageway for menstrual fluid and sexual intercourse. Uterus is a hollow pear-shaped organ where fertilized egg implants and develops during pregnancy. Uterus has three main parts. Fundus is the upper part of uterus. It is above the openings of fallopian tubes. Body of uterus is the main portion of uterus where fetus grows. Cervix is the lower part of uterus that opens into vagina and serves as a passageway during childbirth. Fallopian tubes are two slender tubes extending from the uterus to the ovaries. They are the site of fertilization and transport egg from the ovary to the uterus. Note down, the fertilization of ovum takes place in the proximal part of fallopian tubes. Ovaries are two almond-shaped organs that produce eggs, ova, and hormones, including estrogen and progesterone. Each month during menstrual cycle, one ovary releases an egg. The process is called ovulation. Note down, each ovary weighs about 4 to 8 grams. This was all about reproductive system.